friends, welcome to my humble homestead. So today I am going to make some body spray. So if y'all like the bath and body spray that you can get, it is actually full of chemicals and things that are not great for our bodies. So this is a recipe that I got from Little Hill Homestead, her channel, that actually uses some essential oils and natural ingredients. And I'm going to try and see how I like it. If I like it, I may make it for some gifts in gift baskets. But I do have to tell you, Allie asked how I would like the shower oil, after shower oil. Listen, I'm making a quadruple batch because that stuff is thebomb.com. Thebomb.com. I literally am giving some for my grandson. I'm going to move this down so we can see what we're doing down here. It is amazing. I'm giving this one for my grandson. This one I already went through pretty much. It's so awesome. This I'm going to fill up a jar, but I don't want to keep this in my shower, so I'm just going to keep filling that little one up. And I'm going to do another one for my grandkids. So I'm opening up these essential oils because there's one scent that I used to get that I don't even think they make anymore. It's called Twilight Woods. So I looked up the notes of that scent and I got some of the essential oils. But this one has a lot of different scents in it, or a lot of different oils in it. So you don't feel like you need to go out and buy all these essential oils because it's a lot of oils. And I really don't want you to feel like you have to copy this, because honestly, this oil, I do orange, grapefruit, and a hint of mint. And I'm obsessed with the citrus smell of it. So I am going to do that in the oil again. Once that oil is all melted, that is the scent I'm going to do. Now for the spray, I got a whole box of 24 of these glass bottles because you know when you use essential oils, you kind of want them in glass because if you have them, unless you use them pretty quick, then you can use, and then these I thought I could do for gifts because these are plastic. And these ones I also got on Amazon. I'll link below where I got them, or in my Amazon shop. I will get to that soon. But the glass ones, they just come like this. So I'm going to do that. But let's go ahead and I'll show you how fast this is. For the base, I have 6 ounces. You can use distilled water. I took purified water out of my refrigerator and I put it in there. Then we're going to use a tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. I got this huge one on Azure. It is super inexpensive to get this. It's literally probably half the price that I got a small bottle at Walgreens or Walmart. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin, and this basically makes it last. So there you go. It helps all the oils bind together. And then the other thing, witch hazel. Now, if you don't have witch hazel in your house, my grandma used to always have witch hazel for like skin stuff. So I have a bottle of witch hazel in my house. You can use rubbing alcohol, but I do have witch hazel, so that's what I'm going to use. And we use a tablespoon of that. That is it for the base. Now we want it to smell good, right? We don't want to smell like witch hazel. I am going to try these notes of stuff. I need to find but you know, you can use whatever scents you want. Like I said, I love that orange. I did a coconut lime in a shampoo. That was really good. So we're going to do apricot mimosa, a little bit of cypress in here, eucalyptus, a little frankincense, freesia. But like I said, there's a lot of ones that are super delicious. Like you can do vanilla orange. I don't know, just different one. Oh, honeysuckle. This is kind of a honeysuckle one is really what this one is. So I'm just going to see. But if you want a manly one, you can add like a little cypress, sage, you know, those ones in there. So I'm just going to add just a little bit of frankincense. We're just going to do 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same with the eucalyptus. We'll see how this smells, you guys. I'm not sure. I'm not a parfumist. I am today, though. So apricot, we want 30 drops total. But, you know, I'm one that likes a little bit stronger scent. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just going to do, I suppose I should only do 5 of apricot, but I did about 8. Okay. All right. I'm going to do, this is the mimosa. My cats are being crazy. Ooh, this one's really good. 1, it's kind of sweet though. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's smelling a little sweet. We'll see what we might have to balance it out with something. I suppose that's what the frankincense and the eucalyptus does. This is, ooh, the freesia. Okay. This is a little florally. 1. Come on. It's not coming out. Oh, because it's not open, Trina. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, that's florally, and I think the florally. I think the honeysuckle will be too. I bet. Oh yeah, this one's good. I'm gonna put about 5 here. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now let me mix these together. I'll put the cover back. I'm watching the time because I really have about 5 minutes left total. Oh, what's in this one? I missed one. I bet this one's supposed to go in here too. Oh, one more box. You don't want to miss what this is. Oh, the cypress. Yeah, I did need to put the cypress in here, but I actually think I have. I do think I have a cypress oil open. Let me see. Yeah, I do have a cypress oil open, so I'm going to put a couple. Cypress is a little bit woodsy. Yeah, it's woodsy, so that's going to add the woodsy to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's mix this up and we'll give it a smell. No shortage in oils here, you guys. We're gonna have some fun making some oil stuff. And you definitely want to shake this stuff up before you use it. And know that these are essential oils. These are not man-made things. Okay, what does it need? It is a bit, let me see. It needs, I'm going to add just a little bit more of the apricot, I think, and maybe a little bit of the freesia. I thought it would be too florally, but it's really not. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's better. That is definitely better. And I'm going to add just a couple drops of the mimosa in here. Come on. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Stuff doesn't want to come on out. Okay, that is better. Oh yeah. So let me pour this into the bottle. Okay. Let me get it. It smells so much better in the bottle. I don't know why. Maybe I mixed it up. Oh, yes, that smells good. Okay. And you know what's great is it's not going to be super overpowering like when you walk by somebody with so much perfume on. Let's try it. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes. Oh, that smells so good, you guys. It's like it's a fresh scent. So I think what I'm going to do, I just have a little bit in here. I might just put this one in, just a smaller one. I have a smaller glass one in the other room. And then I'll label these, and then I'm going to make another one, and I am going to do the orange too. But I think I'm going to wait till I use this up first. That is so good. Okay, now I'm going to smell good for working. All right, well that, everybody, is how you make a natural bath and body spray. I love it. It's great. Thanks, Allie, for sharing all of this stuff with us so I can share with my friends too. And I'm going to finish up that after shower oil, after shave oil, lotion-ish type stuff. I love it. I just put it on right when I get out of the bath. I literally am wet and I just put it on. It's the best stuff ever. I have the driest skin and that is amazing. I do have that video out too, so check that one out. Thanks so much for watching. Be blessed. Have a great day and remember you're loved. Bye.